let's get a requirement. You are given one online server. Assume you are given an online server, maybe your company's data center. You have been connecting with your local servers all these days, and now you join a new project. You would like to connect your online server. Means from your computer, you would like to connect to a server outside your network, outside your domain. Okay, let's see how to connect to a public network server or any server over internet. How to connect? Let's see. Firstly, launch SSMS as usual. Make sure you connect your local server, one or two local servers, just to verify that your management studio tool is healthy. It is able to welcome the connections. Verify it first. And then what we do, let's see. What's our requirement? How to connect to online server. Click on connect. Database engine and you'll be given the server name by our database administrators or system admins or senior developers. By any data level management team members will be given the server name in your project, in your new project. So get that server name. And one such server name for my example right now, for our example right now, I'll take it here, just wait, on my screen now. Here it is, like this. Say SQL School online server.database.windows.net. It's my server name. Server name would be usually in this format. We call it fully qualified domain name, FQDN. Fully qualified domain name. If you are connecting to a server outside your computer, outside your network, it would be usually SQL authentication. For our classes, for our course, we'll provide you one login and password, and you'll be using this online server for case study submissions and project submissions, part of our classes. So this will be blue in color, okay, this one. From Management Studio, we can connect to our online server like this, in this way. In this online server, what will be there? Some practice databases. For practice activities, you'll be given admin access to this database in our classes, in our course. So what we are learning? How to connect to an online remote server from your local SSMS. Okay? Just to make it clear.